Hello all, Jamie Rodgers here from Craftmania, and today we are looking at a gadget, and this is a cool gadget. It is a Deckle edge ruler. Now, as you can see, on each side it has a different pattern. On one side we've got like a smooth wave, and on the other side we've got this really jagged sort of mountain range. And this is really good because it means you're getting double the value from one rule. When you place your rule down on top of your paper, simply just tear towards you to receive that sort of Deckle torn edge, depending on which side you go for. I'm working here with an 8x8 paper out of one of my paper pads, and as you can see, this has got a white core to it, so we get that lovely white edge coming through, which of course could then be coloured with distress inks or gilding polishes or any manner of medium that could really highlight that fibre in the middle there and give you a really lovely effect. But this is not only about the borders, it's also about the panels as well, and this gives you the ability to do that. If you prefer, you can turn your paper over so you're working on the white side of it and tear against you, and depending on the thickness of your paper and the colour core to it, you might find that you get varying results on this, so it might be recommended to give that a try. Not only can we use this with paper pads and papers like I have been, we can also use this with all manner of different pieces, such as craft card, vellums, coloured cardstock, pearl card. Really give it a go and put it through its paces and see how you get on. And as I said, colour the edges once you've torn against them with your different inks and your different mediums to really create some unique finishes. Maybe start stamping on your panels before you tear away at them to give that a more vintage effect to them. The choice really is yours. The rule is currently recommended retail price at $7.99, but Craftmania currently have it with 15% off. And on top of that, you also receive free UK P&P, because as always, anytime you spend over £5, you will receive free UK P&P. If you're living internationally and you would like to order this, then of course you can have it sent anywhere in the world. Our current P&P for worldwide shipping is capped at just £10, but check out the website to find out more details. You can of course collect this from our store as well in Great Yarmouth, which is Craftmania Essentials, or you can also order it by phone, which is 01493 843 666. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments and I'll do my very best to answer them for you. But I assure you, this is one of them gadgets that once you've got it, you're going to want to Deckle edge in everything you can see in sight, whether it's for borders, mats and layers, or different decorative panels. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and once again, any questions, pop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.